You caught me. Not a whole lot different. We're still sanding. It's kind of a long process to get these ready to go. I just want to make sure that I update you guys every day what I'm doing. Getting a lot of phone calls and emails and how you guys are enjoying the video. We're only about 32 or 3 away from our 500 mark, so make sure you like, subscribe, and share these videos. I'm wondering how long it's going to take to get the next 500, because we need really 1,000. So what I got going here is these fillets laid down real nice after I was told that these fillets were they were not spackle, even though they look like it. I know spackle was up on the nose, and I can still see some up here. I'm going to have to put some CA on because the dope will attack it. That they were micro balloons and finishing resin. But I went ahead and sanded them smooth, and then ran the superfill in them, and that, you know, it doesn't take much to, all we're doing is cleaning these up and putting a little tooth on it so that the primer has a place to grab onto. So that's about all I got to report today. It's going to be probably a week of sanding before I can start priming. We have a hard spot that came right here. I got spackle in that. I know that's spackle, don't get excited, just I sand sometimes for hours. Here lately I kind of took somewhat of a break. You know, after sanding, you know, for months on end, I like to take a break once in a while. I don't know what the material is here, but we're going to have to shrink it. It's all bagged up. Let me get my heat gun and we'll tighten that up. Because this is not much of a video besides, there we go, besides sanding, I'll try to do include a little footage if I can find of some airplanes flying. Let me know if you like that. I opened the last video up with some summertime footage that I found. I'm kind of waiting for summer to come again so I can take some more flying footage to add. Oh, we got a lot of sand to do there. You get out the 80 grit for that. lot to report besides Sandy. So we will, maybe if you have some questions on the Ask Sparky side, go ahead and ask me some stuff so I can, at least have some material to talk about. Let's take a look at some pictures from the past. I'll see if I can dig up some of them old Thunderbolt build pictures off the forum in case you haven't seen them. So think back, watch, listen to music, and enjoy. See ya!